Hey guys, welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. Today we're decorating for fall. I cannot take it anymore. It's almost September anyways. So we're gonna start off by cleaning up the house. So the areas that I'm gonna be decorating are the living room, kitchen, dining room, and guest bathroom. That's typically where I keep my seasonal decor. I don't really let it to go into any of the bedrooms. So I'm gonna make sure those areas are clutter-free, everything's in its home and it's been wiped down. And then I'm gonna pull out all my decor from last year and just kind of see what we have, what we need. And then I'm gonna be heading off to like Target, Home Goods, and Ross. I always like to pick up a fun, like few pieces just to kind of make this fall a little bit different from last year. I do want to put a big disclaimer out. I don't put a ton of fall out. I don't like lots of junk or clutter in my house, but I do like the feel of it. So if you're new, I would love for you to subscribe and let's get into it.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. I'm going crazy. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna hold you close. Don't wanna take it slow. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
Okay, now that I have the house clean and picked up like I like it, I'm gonna start pulling out just the pumpkins and the few things I have from last year.
I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night, all night. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
Okay, so here is everything that I have. It doesn't look like a lot, but for me, I was like, whoa, that is more than I thought, because I do not put a ton out. This stuff's all from the Target dollar section. I want to stress that you guys don't have to spend a ton of money on seasonal decor. Most of that was all $1 a piece. These were $1 a piece from Dollar Tree. I've had them a few years, but they're still there. This basket's from a garage sale. I want to say this is from the Target dollar spot as well, and then the green part is a different like banner, so those are two different things combined. If you have old pumpkins that you like but you don't like the color, a few years ago I just went ahead and painted these like a cream white. You can spray paint them if you want to. Actually thinking of that now, I have gold spray paint out my garage, so I'm definitely gonna, I may spray paint these guys. I may like take these off and spray paint some gold ones to put into my house, since I have so much gold in here now. That's what I'm definitely gonna do. I may even spray that basket. I'm getting excited. Last year I didn't love these because of the gold. I didn't have gold in my house, and I'm so glad I didn't paint them because that will go well. And then this was a gift given to me by a dear friend slash subscriber. And then I saved my candle from last year because I didn't finish it off. I didn't know I had that, or I would have already been burning it. And then I used this greenery last year. I don't think I will, just because I have my real plants now and I love those. So this is what I have. I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures of the house, so when I'm out looking, if I see a sign or just something that I'm like, would that work or would it not? I like to have updated pictures of my home, of the spaces, so I kind of know what I'm working with. So I'm gonna snap a few pictures and then we'll head out.
I got this feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you, and there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do it.
Okay, we're in the car now and we're headed to town so we can get some new fall decor. Okay, I just pulled up at Ross. I like to start at like the cheapest place first, because if I start off at like Target and see something, I always question like, what if it's at Ross for cheaper? So I'm gonna go to Ross and then Home Goods / TJ Maxx. Ours is like both of the same one, and then I'll go to Target last. So let's head inside. Okay, Ross didn't have a ton out, which I wasn't expecting them to. I've been in there lately and I just haven't felt like they've had a ton of fall decor, especially like the style I'm wanting. So I did get a few things there. I'll show you guys a haul once I get home. Now I'm outside like our TJ Maxx / Home Goods. I'm really hoping to find like pillows for my sectional, but I need them to be neutral. I definitely don't want orange or anything on them, and that's really hard to come by. And I'm thinking maybe like a sign. I really don't have a sign to put out, but we will see. So let's head in here and see what this store has for us. Okay, I just left TJ Maxx. I got some really cute stuff there. I'm really excited to share with you guys when I get home. If you can't hear me, it's because the AC is blaring. It is so hot today and all the stores are hot. I don't know what's going on, but I feel like I'm melting. One last store. We're gonna run by Target and then we'll be heading home. Okay, I'm back home. I went into Target. It was a bust. I don't think they had anything Thanksgiving or like fall related. I don't know if it's just sold out or if they just haven't put it out yet. I think they haven't put it out yet. A lot of stuff was still back to school. So when that stuff comes out, if I see something, I can always grab it. But I honestly feel like I have enough. I'm gonna start with my Ross finds. I went ahead and bought this candle. I feel like it's so hard to find seasonal stuff that's neutral. And this is just shimmering white pumpkin. I thought it would be nice setting out. It smells pretty good too. It's not a super strong scent. I normally stick with like oil, like essential oil or soy-based candles, just because I get headaches. So I won't be able to burn this a lot, but I still can do it in like short periods. And I just thought it would look really good and kind of add fall. So I picked that up and it was $12.99 from Ross. So that's nice. I went ahead and grabbed these gold pumpkins. I could have saved the money and just spray painted some of mine. I'm not gonna lie, it is so hot here and all the stores were hot. I thought I do not want to be outside spraying pumpkins, and so to me it was just worth it to spend the $5.99, and I got 6 gold pumpkins to mess with. But like I was saying, if you just have pumpkins at home and it's not super hot, or you're gonna wait and put up decor when it actually cools off, like fall time, you could totally spray paint them. I may spray paint some of these later. I'm just not gonna do it yet. And then at Home Goods, I went ahead and bought these. I love Rae Dunn, and these are just cute napkins. They were $4.99, and I went ahead and grabbed them for Thanksgiving. We normally host it here. Even if we don't host it, I'll take them with us. I just thought it was a fun way to have napkins sitting out. This really isn't fall decor related, but it's another Rae Dunn thing. I was needing magnets for our refrigerator and different things, and I saw those and had to have them. They were $6.99, so I thought that was a good deal. And then one of my most exciting finds today, I was looking for pillows for our sofa, and I wanted them neutral, but I didn't want them to be too much silver because I really like the pops of gold in my house, and I could not believe when I found these. Look at these. So they're like tan, they'll match my sofa, but there's like a shimmery gold in there. Love, love, love these. They're not huge, so I can really just add it to the pillows that are already on the sofa. Let me see how much these were. I want to say, yeah, they were $19.99. So, I mean, that's kind of pricey for a pillow, especially seasonal, but I feel like they're really cute. I'll save them and use them every year. I felt like they were worth it because they had so much detail on them. So I was so excited when I found those. So that's everything I found. So now I have all my new stuff plus all my old stuff. So I'm going to get to decorating. Okay, I'm having a hard time deciding. Let me know. Do you like it like this or this? I don't know if this is too busy. At least this pillow has gold in it, and so it brings in the gold in this one. But then this one, it just adds the texture of the fluffy pillow. So let me know down below in the comments section which way I should do it.
Written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. baby. Got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way.
Okay, when I'm trying to do a cluster of something, I get really weird, like, and I feel like it gets unorganized and it looks like clutter. I try to put it on a cake stand so it's kind of like somewhat defined and has a purpose. So that's what I did with this one. This cake stand's from Target and it's just from like the party section, but I always feel like that's really cute. I don't know if I'm gonna set this one out, but just to give you guys an idea, you can put it in like a basket and just throw everything in there, but it looks like more of it like has a purpose. You could like rearrange these a little bit better so they're not so much like next to their similar one, but that is a good way to decorate if you have a lot of the same item.
I shiver inside, doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection.
Thank you so much for spending the day with me. I hope you had fun watching me clean, shop, and decorate for fall. Make sure you are subscribed because my fall home tour is coming out very, very soon. I hope you guys have a wonderful week and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.